everyone, welcome to day 20 of our 21 days yoga challenge. We are just about to end with this challenge and I am just super proud of all of you for completing these 21 days. So today's practice is inspired by Ashtanga, one of the most old and also most disciplined form of yoga, which was originated by Sri Patabi Jois. Ashtanga is a practice that builds up strength, focus, and heat in the body, but it is not just a physical workout, it is more of a spiritual discipline. In our session today, we will do some of the practices from the primary series of Ashtanga, and yeah, it is going to be challenging, but I'll let you know all the beginner modifications you can do so. So stay excited. Let's start with our Ashtanga practice today. We will flow by focusing on our breath, being more aware, and with devotion. Keep a gentle smile on the face. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Hands in the Namaskara Mudra, everyone. We'll chant one long Om Ucharan. Inhale deeply. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Hari Om, everyone. We bow down, touching the head to the ground as low as we can. Feeling blessed, grateful. Pay your respect to the Mother Nature. And then very gently rub the palms. Place the palms over the eyes, feel the warmth. Open your eyes, look at the palms, wonderful. All right, let's stand up on the mat and shake the whole body. If you can, do not use your hands and all the way stand up straight. Now let's shake the whole body. Shake your legs, shake the hands, shake the legs, shake the hands. Wonderful. Very nice, everyone. Relax here. Inhale. Raise the heels up and raise the hands high. Inhale. Exhale down. ठीक है? Try to inhale actively. Exhale out through the mouth. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Wonderful. Let's come on the mat. Starting off the mat. Join the legs together in the Samasthiti attention position. Roll the shoulders back multiple times just to open up the shoulders, the thoracic region. Roll the shoulders back to front. Beautiful. We are on the mat. We are ready to start the practice. Take a moment here. Feel, become present. All right. We do 3 rounds of Surya Namaskar A. Surya Namaskar A, which is completely different from the Hatha Yoga Surya Namaskar. All right. I'll go slow for the very first round. Then we will pick up the pace. Ekam, inhale, hands reaching high, everyone. Join the palms up together. Look up towards the thumb. Inhale, stretch the whole body upward. Due, exhale, hands come down. You can bend the knees and all the way place the hands to the side of the feet. All the way fold forward. Try to look towards the toes. Treni, inhale, come on the tips of the fingers, look forward and gaze to the tip of the nose. Gaze to the tip of the nose. Chatwari, exhale, relax the gaze and jump back or walk back in the plank pose. I'll walk this time, then I'll jump. Stay in the plank pose. Pancha, all the way, go for the chat. Chatvari, all the way go for the Chaturanga, bend the elbows. You can drop the knees on the ground. Pancha, inhale. Urdhva Mukha, everyone. Do not touch the thighs on the ground. Lift the thighs off the ground. Look up to the sky. Shat, exhale. Come in the Parvatasana, your Adho Mukha. Stretch the spine all the way in. Push the heels on the ground. Look towards the toes. Sapta, bend the knees, look forward. We have to jump. This time we will walk in between the hands. Look forward to the tip of the nose. Exhale, fold forward, go into the deep forward fold. Inhale, hands reach high, all the way, touch the palms upward. Exhale, Samasthiti, attention pose. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Second round, Surya Namaskar A. Ekam, inhale, hands reaching high. Dve, exhale, all the way, fold forward. Treni, inhale, come on the tips of the fingers. Look forward, try to gaze to the tip of the nose. Chatvari, exhale, jump back. This time try to directly go into the Chaturanga. If you cannot do so, then go for plank first, then the Chaturanga, either on the knees or on the toes. Jump back. Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale. Urdhva Mukha. Shat, exhale. Adho Mukha, your Parvatasana. Sapta, jump forward in between the hands. Look forward. Ashto, all the way, fold forward. Nava, hands reach high. Join the palms upward. And Samasthiti. All right. Take a nice deep breath in. Deep breath out. Third round. Ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale. Treni, inhale. Look to the tip of the nose. Chatvari, jump back straight into Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale. Urdhva Mukha. Shat, exhale. Adho Mukha. Sapta, inhale. Jump forward. Look forward. Ashto, all the way, fold forward. Nava, hands reach high. And Samasthiti, attention pose. All right, 3 rounds done. Inhale. Exhale out. We move forward to Surya Namaskar B here. Now just an extended version of the Surya Namaskar. All right. First round we'll go slow. We'll do 3 rounds of the Surya Namaskar B. Always start Surya Namaskar B after exhalation. Exhale, we try to touch the hands down, bend the knees. Exhale. Inhale, hands reach high, Utkata Asana, chair pose. Exhale, fold forward, now the same. Fold forward. Inhale, come on the tips of the fingers, look forward. Exhale, jump back, let's jump back all the way into Chaturanga. Similar to Surya Namaskar A. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Now from here we'll move into Virabhadrasana 1. You will make the left leg at a 45-degree angle and the right leg will come in between the hands. Drop the hips low, then raise the hands high. Inhale. Exhale. Again, we will go for Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. And exhale, Adho Mukha. Beautiful. Very slowly, on the other side now. The right leg at a 45-degree angle. Left leg in between the hands. So many mosquitoes. Left leg in between the hands. Drop the hips low. Inhale, raise the hands high. Exhale, hands down. Go for Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Hold here. Slowly jump forward in between the hands. Now we just end the same way we end the Surya Namaskar A. Look forward. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, slowly bend the knees, hands reach high. Utkatasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Attention pose. All right. Second round. Exhale, touch the fingers down. Inhale, hands reaching high, Utkatasana. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, come on the tips of the fingers, look forward to the tip of the nose. Exhale, jump back. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Your Parvatasana. Left leg 45-degree angle. Right leg in between the hands. Drop the hips low. Reach the hands high. Exhale, once again Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Now the right leg 45-degree angle. Left leg in between the hands. Drop the hips low. Inhale, raise the hands high. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Beautiful. We'll jump forward from here. Bend the knees. Jump forward. Tips of the fingers look forward to the tip of the nose. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, bend the knees, raise the hands high, Utkatasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Attention pose. Inhale through the nose. Last round. Superb. Let's start. Exhale, touch the fingers down. Inhale, raise the hands high. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, come to the tips of the fingers, look forward. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Left leg 45-degree angle, right leg in between the hands. Drop the hips low. Inhale, raise the hands high. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Inhale, left leg in between the hands. Drop the hips low. Raise the hands high. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Stay here, very nice everyone. We jump forward in between the hands now, wonderful. Look forward. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, Utkatasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Alright, take a few deep breaths. Alright, take a few deep breaths in everyone. Try to relax, calm yourself down, align with the breath. Alright, now very slowly, we will just see a few asanas of the standing postures only. We'll go for Prasarita Padottanasana A, B, C, D. Very slowly open with your right leg and face towards me. Alright, make some gap between both the legs, face the toes forward, the full chest is facing forward. We'll go for Prasarita Padottanasana A, hands on the waist. Roll the shoulders back and pull the elbows like this in. You shouldn't, I shouldn't see your elbows if they are like this, you know. You have to hide them back. Alright, so the Prasarita Padottanasana A, ekam inhale, open the chest, look up to the sky. Exhale, drop the hands down in between the hands, in between the legs. Inhale, look forward to the tip of the nose. If not comfortable, just look forward. Exhale, you can make more space between the legs, everyone, and try to drop the head in between the hands. Hold here. Just go as low as you can. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale again. Now look forward to the tips of to the tip of the nose. Wonderful. Exhale, grab the waist and all the way come back to the center. Wonderful. Prasarita Padottanasana B. From here, inhale, open the hands. Once again, grab the waist. Inhale, roll the shoulders back, open the chest. Exhale, just fall down completely and drop the head in between the legs as much as you can. Hold here. Go as low as you can. Inhale deeply. Exhale deeply. All the way look forward and then all the way up. Very nice. Inhale, raise the hands high. Prasarita Padottanasana C. Interlace the fingers behind, open the chest. Pull the hands away from the hips. Exhale, everyone, fold forward and even drop the hands. Hold here. Go as low as you can. Breathe and be stable. Inhale. Exhale. All the way come back to the center. Wonderful. Grab your waist, Prasarita Padottanasana D here. Roll the shoulders back, open through the chest, open through the chest. Ekam inhale, open. Exhale, slide the hands on the legs and grab the big toe. Grab the big toe with the first two fingers. Inhale, look forward everyone. Exhale, bend the elbows and then drop the head in between the legs. Hold here. Breathe here. Be stable. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Inhale, everyone, look forward to the tip of the nose. Exhale, grab the waist, all the way come back to the center. Now join your legs to the starting of the mat from where you started in the Samasthiti. Inhale and exhale. Open with the right leg once again, everyone. The right foot will face completely forward. Even the back foot is going to face forward. Just completely face your chest forward. Alright, not to the side, forward. Now hands behind. Make the Namaskara Mudra behind. As much as you can, the more higher you go on your upper back, the more difficult it is. And the more lower you are, the more easy it is. So here come, inhale, open the chest. Exhale, you can bend the front knee, go down. Try to touch the chin to your shin bone. If not possible, just stay wherever you are. That is your Paschimottanasana for today. Come inhale. Inhale deeply. Look towards the foot, the toe. And exhale out. All the way come back up, everyone. Now just go to the other side. Do not open the hands. Keep the hands in the Namaskara Mudra. Just move to the other side. Inhale, push the elbows back, open through the chest. Exhale, go down. Hold here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, all the way come back up. And then open the hands, face towards me. And then join the legs in the Samasthiti, attention position. Wonderful. All right, let's settle down here for the seated postures. All the way, settle down. Slide the legs forward, relax here. We'll go for Paschimottanasana A, B, C. Now you can always bend your knees to be more comfortable. Make sure you listen to your body more than you listen to me. Alright, so Paschimottanasana A, B, C. Pull the toes towards you, everyone. Pull the toes towards you, point the toes out, just relaxing the toes here. Pull the toes and point the toes. Now pull the toes here. Very nice. Inhale, everyone. Go forward, grab the big toes. If not possible, bend the knees, then grab your big toes with the first two fingers. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, fold forward as much as you can. And while you're folding forward, you can see as much as you can slide your legs forward. Wonderful. Stay in the Paschimottanasana A. Go as deep as you can. Hold for 3, 2, 1. Very slowly Paschimottanasana B, everyone. Those who can, just from here only. Open the hands, grab the foot from the outside and then once again deeper into the Paschimottanasana. Look towards the toe if possible. Stay here. Breathe and be stable. 3, 2, 1. Now just stay here. If you can, go more deeper into Paschimottanasana C. Take the hands all the way forward and try to interlace the fingers, grab the fingers or maybe grab the wrist. Whatever seems possible to you today, try to do that. Hold here, Paschimottanasana C, the deepest forward fold. Hold for 3. Hold for 2. And hold for 1. All the way, release the hands. Let's do a vinyasa from here. Inhale, see, slide the hips forward. Inhale, raise the legs up, like lock the legs and raise the legs up. Exhale, drop the legs down, raise the hips up. Okay, let's do it one more time so that you are more You get it more? You understand it more? Inhale, raise the legs up. Drop the legs down. Raise the hips up. Now walk back or jump back and uncross the legs. Go for Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Beautiful. Alright, once again jump forward in between the hands and drop the hips low, everyone. Drop the hips on the ground. Slide the legs forward. Wonderful. We do Ardha Baddha Paschimottanasana and Triyanga Mukha Ekapada Paschimottanasana. Alright, so the Sanskrit words can be heavy, but try to pronounce it with me once. Ardha Baddha Paschimottanasana. Alright, so the right leg you fold and just place it like you place it in the lotus pose, in the Padmasana. Just place the foot over the left thigh. Now take the right hand all the way back and try to grab the right big toe. If you cannot grab the big toe, just keep the hand on the back. Go as close as you can to the right foot. Alright? Inhale everyone, open the chest. Now grab the left big foot, the big toe as well. If you cannot, bend the left knee a little bit and then try. If it feels very uncomfortable, you just place the hand wherever you can reach. Inhale. Exhale, we fold forward as much as we can. Ardha Baddha Paschimottanasana. Hold here and be stable wherever you are. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All the way come back up and then release the hands. Let's do the Vinyasa one more time. Then we'll do the Ardha Baddha on the other leg. Inhale, raise the legs up. Exhale, drop. Raise the hips. Jump back or walk back. Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Let's jump forward again in between the hands. Settle down. Let's do the Ardha Baddha on the other side. This time the left leg will come on the right thigh. The left hand all the way back. Grab the left big toe if possible. Hold the right toe with the first 2 fingers of the right hand. Exhale, fold forward. Stay here. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All the way come back up. Release the hands, release the leg. Wonderful. Let's do our Vinyasa one more time. Raise the legs, drop the legs, raise the hips. Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Beautiful. Jump forward in between the hands, everyone. And slide the legs forward. Triyanga Mukha Eka. Triyanga Mukha Eka Pada Paschimottanasana. Alright, in this one what we do, we take the right leg and we fold it inside. Okay, I'll show you with my left. So we fold it inside like this. We roll the shin out and then we try to fold forward on the other leg. Let's try. Right leg fold. Wonderful. Keep your knees joined together. Pull the left toes towards you. Inhale everyone. Try to take the hands out as much as you can. And then fold forward on the left leg. Look towards the left toe. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All the way, come back to the center. Let's take the vinyasa again. Raise the legs up, drop the legs down, raise the hips, jump back. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Jump forward in between the hands. Slide the legs forward. Let's do the Trianga Mukha Eka. Mukha Eka. Pada Paschimottanasana on the other leg. Left leg. Right leg forward fold. Hold here. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All the way, come back to the center. Release the leg. Let's take the vinyasa once again. Wonderful. Raise the legs up, down, hips up. Chaturanga. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Wonderful. Jump forward in between the hands and slide the legs forward. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. All right. Marichayasan A and C. Marichayasan, you know, Marichayasan was a Rishi Muni who gave us all these 4 types of Marichayasan, which are wonderful for our digestion, for our gut health. We'll do 2 type, Marichayasan A and C. Bend the right leg. Right hand raises high. Now try to wrap the right hand around the right leg as much as you can. If you need support, you can keep the left hand on the mat, or you try to join the legs, or you try to grab the wrist or interlace the fingers if possible, like this, okay, on your back, or just do the Marichayasan as much as you can. Okay, listen to your body more than you listen to me. Keep that in mind. Wonderful, everyone. Let's fold forward, exhale, hold here, hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All the way, come back up, release the hand. Wonderful. Let's take the vinyasa once again. I know. See, if you have started hating the vinyasas, then Ashtanga will be difficult. So, inhale, raise the legs high. Exhale, drop hips high. Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. And exhale, Adho Mukha. Jump forward, settle down in between the hands. Slide the legs forward. Let's do it on the left leg. Left knee bends. Inhale, left hand up. Fold forward and wrap the left hand around the left leg. Now keep your right hand on the ground, or if you feel like, you can just interlace the fingers, grab the hand. Fold forward on the right leg as much as we can. We give our best. Inhale. Exhale. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. All the way, come back up. Release the hands, everyone. Now let's take the vinyasa once again. Ekam inhale. Drop. Jump. Urdhva Mukha and Adho Mukha. Jump forward. Let's move to the Marichayasana C. Slide the legs forward, everyone. Wonderful. Right leg bends. Now we do the Marichayasana C here. I'll show you with my left leg first, then I'll do it with my right leg. So the left hand will be like back if my left knee is bending. Right hand all the way up. Now we wrap the right hand around the left leg as much as we can. If you feel like, you just stay here and you look back. If you can go more intense, wrap the right hand around the left leg. Wrap the right hand around the left leg, and then take the left hand as well and try to make a bind back, like try to join the fingers together, and then you look back, make the chin parallel to the left shoulder and try to sit tall. All right, whatever seems comfortable to you. Let's do it with the right leg. Right knee is bending, right hand is back. Drop the right hand under the right shoulder. Inhale, everyone, raise the left hand up. Now try to take the left hand outside of the right leg. Stay here, just look back if it seems good, or else make it challenging. Wrap the left hand around the right leg even more. Bring it on the back and then join the fingers or the wrist. Look back. Hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look forward. Release the hands one by one. Release the leg. Let's take the vinyasa. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Come on, jump forward, everyone. Let's do it with the left leg now. Left leg bends, left hand down. Right hand all the way up. Push the left knee. Hold here. Just stay here or wrap the hand completely. Grab the fingers and look back. Inhale. Exhale. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, breathe, 1. Slowly relax. Relax. Let's take the vinyasa. This is the last vinyasa, I promise. After this vinyasa, we have to do the boat pose. We'll hold the navasana for 5 breaths. Inhale, raise the legs up. Exhale, drop. Chaturanga, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Now drop the hips and try to raise the legs up. Vinyasa, Navasana. Hold here. Extend the legs if possible or keep them bent. I'll keep them bent. Inhale here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop the legs down. Relax, everyone. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. All right. Now we'll just lay down on the ground, on the mat. We'll do for the chakrasana here. All the way, everyone, keep your heels very close to the hips. Drop the hands down. Wherever you are in your chakrasana as well, you can just stay here. If you feel like, just lift the hips up. If you feel this is my chakrasana for today, just stay here. If you can, then lift, press the hands on the ground, drop the center of the head on the ground like this. Stay here if this seems good. And after that, we try to press the hands more and lift the complete body up. This is your Chakrasana. If it seems good, you can do so, or just keep the head on the ground. We stay here for 5, for 4, 3, 2, 1. Tuck the chin to the chest. All the way bend the elbows and come down on the ground. Bend the legs. Swing forward. Let's do the Paschimottanasana here. Fold forward. Breathe here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, come back on the mat. All right, everyone, very done. Very well. Well done. Very done. Well done. Wonderful. Let's do the Padmasana here. Right leg over, left leg over. If you cannot do the Padmasana, that's fine. Just do the Ardha Padmasana. Just bring one leg up. All right. Let's make the Gyan Mudra here as well. The index finger is curling down, bowing down to the thumb like this. And then you place the hands. Let's stay here. We'll do very conscious breathing here. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose itself. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Let's do more conscious breathing. Try to take the tummy out, take the chest out and raise the shoulders a little bit high. Do it all this in 4 seconds inhalation and 4 seconds exhalation. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release through the mouth, everyone. Open the mouth and release. All right. Gently hands come in the Namaskara Mudra. Om Ucharan, everyone. Inhale. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Hari Om, we bow down. All the way, come back up. Gentle smile on the face. Rub the palms all over the body. I'm sweating. This is the tapas we call in yoga. This is the discipline, right? The negativity going out from the body. Wonderful. You did wonderful today, and I'm so proud that you finished. Ashtanga is hard. It's challenging. You have to do it again and again and again. I have been practicing Ashtanga for more than 5 years. So yeah, I can say that you have to do it more and more. But I hope you enjoyed the practice. Let me know your feedback in the comment section, and I'll see you in the last day of this challenge, which is day 21 tomorrow. Hari Om. Have a beautiful day ahead.